typhoid and malaria medicine. As you can see, what I have here is I have moringa, I have bitter leaf, I have scent leaf, and I have ginger. You know, this particular one that I'm preparing is for is the powder one, yeah. And I have aloe vera. If you can look, this is aloe vera dried one, because I'm going to pound it. Yeah, this is the ginger. The ginger is not well dried, but it's okay. I will use it. I'll just use part of it. So this is moringa. Moringa is plenty, you know. So I want to take them to my mortar, then I'll pound it. So guys, join me as I do this. Alright? I'll place this one somewhere while I pound this. And I hope I can see it. Beautiful. So pound it very well. I'll start from the stick here. Just put everything in the mortar. Should I bring the phone close? It's fine. So just put everything inside. Pound them together. Oops. I've dried this in for like more than a week. For more than a week. Everything here is dried, very dry. So let's begin the show. Normally, I'll give you a chance I would have tried it, but I'll ground it. So I'm going to pound it. Everything will turn to powder. What I'm doing here. So you can see how I'm running this thing. The scent is very nice. I love it. I love the scent. This is just for malaria, and the powder is very good for your health. But you're watching for videos. What am I making here? I'm making a malaria and typhoid medicine. That's what I'm making. I'm making a malaria and typhoid medicine. And this particular one I'm making is a powder one. You know, sometimes I do the one of the way you can cook and drink, the liquid one. So this particular one is powder. I like. So this is powder. I'm going to pound it till it will turn to powder. Then I'll do whatever I want to do with it. So at times, you know, me for instance, I spend some money trying to treat myself with from what you call it, typhoid and malaria. So after trying all those hello, after trying all those things, then I I need to make it by myself, so that was why I decided to do this thing by myself. With myself, you see. This is a mixture of, like I said, a mixture of moringa tree and ginger and scent leaf and what do you call it, aloe vera. You know, there's a big combination. Lady like me, they liked. How you doing? Welcome. Yeah, welcome to my live streaming. So I'm going to pound it. If you want me to send you this thing, I can send it to you. This is African medicine. African medicine. You love the combo here. There are some things I need to put on top here. I used to mix garlic, the boiled one, and I'll add some things again to make it look interesting. Normally I would have used blender to grind this thing, but I don't know what's happening to my blender. Maybe my blender would have done a great job. If you want to visit this beautiful place, yeah, anytime you're ready to visit, you're always welcome, right? You're always welcome. Because you know, here I spend some money, yeah, treating typhoid, and then you're not seeing results. After 1 month, you have to go to the hospital again, you know. I decided to myself that no, at least I have some remedies for this now. I mix some natural stuff, yeah, to get the same results. So why am I wasting my time? So that's exactly what I'm doing here. You know, I have this in the back of my house, so like after here I will show you what I have at the back of my house, you know. So anytime I want to do this thing, I decide to go at the back of my house to gather them together, you know. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to hit the like button, and then you can subscribe for membership. That one is good to help this channel to grow. That would be a great thing to do, right? You know, I would have done so many videos like this, but it's a process. Sometimes the challenges are there, but you have to do it. Can you see? We are talking about green tea. Look at green tea here. Yeah. Yeah, this is green tea. So, green tea can not only come all the way from China. We can have it here in Africa too. Can make it. So, lady like me, are you a YouTuber? You're welcome. I made your day. Wow, that's good. So please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I will allow you to stay a bit. Then I want to go to the backyard so that we're going to show you guys what I have at my backyard. So let me turn to be like a selfie. All right. So this is me. Welcome to Shmaberry TV. I have a lot of things here, and now it's dry season. So if you look at my backyard, this is my backyard. So what you see is curry. This is curry. Yeah, what you see here, this is curry. Another curry. Yeah, plenty. You know, and that's pop. This is aloe vera. Aloe vera is here, and that's the curry. And then I have pepper here. Pepper still growing up. Spinach, because of those insects. This is bitter leaf. Can you see that? That's my bitter leaf. We use it a lot, yeah. And the part of the mixture I did there, bitter leaf is part of it. I forgot to mention bitter leaf is part of it, and bitter leaf is part of it. And this is a scent leaf, still growing. And then look at this is the moringa tree. Because of the cable up there, I have to cut it down so that it won't cause problem. But it's better still. It's still coming up. And look at it. See coming up. See coming up. Look at it. Fresh one is coming. This is so fresh. All right. I have it. Everything in my backyard. So sometimes I don't even need to go to the market to go get those stuff. I have them at my disposal. Yeah. So that is that. Let me go back and then finish what I was doing, man. I'm still making. There's a few stuff I need to mix with that. I need to mix garlic. Yeah? I need to mix garlic with it. Guys, if you're watching, please comment. Put your comment in the comment section. Let's see your comment. I still need to put garlic in it so that it's more stronger, you know. Cloves, no? I don't want to put cloves. There's no cloves issue. Oh, that is on one. Let's put cloves, yeah. Alright. So guys, let's go back to the pounding. Let's go back to the pounding. I want to go back and pound what I was pounding. Alright. Yeah, let the camera be here. And then let's do the job. So it's time for testing, okay? Let's test and see. Damn, it's very bitter, man. A lot of you don't like eating bitter things, but this it's good, but it's a good mixture. They're very powerful. Don't feed it bitter leaf. By the time you take this in typhoid and malaria, run away from you. Typhoid and malaria will say bye bye. I don't want to come to your house again. Alright, so let me get something and then put the stuff inside. Okay. I need to get something to filter that. Alright. I think I need to use this. I need to do this in a large quantity. Alright. Don't worry, I will show you guys everything process, what I'm doing. Alright, so don't panic. We're all gonna see everything. So right now I want to filter it. That's what I want to do. You can name this one African green tea. So you see, I pack it here. I pack it. You see, the chaff too is still useful. Not that I'm not gonna use it. I'll still use it. Alright. The chaff too is still useful. So the main aim for this is for you to just chew, yeah. And just put it in your mouth and then chew like a chewing stick. That's the main aim for this. I'm still gonna package this chaff and then put it in my. So don't be confused there. This is African green leaf. This is malaria and typhoid medicine. Yeah. Voila. Wow, medicine here already. Woo! Thank you, Lord. So let me know where you're watching me from. We have our medicine here ready. And this is for malaria and typhoid. A lot of you don't know that. Well, those things that we use around, most of those leaves, a bit roots, whatever they call them, they're for your cure. Alright? I think I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna wash this and put it inside to make it look nice. Let me just wash it. If you missed this video and you would like to watch it again, yeah, maybe after this live you can still go and watch from the beginning where we started. Alright? And you learn. Because these days a lot of people are suffering from this malaria, typhoid, especially in Nigeria. And so many people don't know what to do. I'm not saying that they have a cure around them, but they don't know. So many things they have to open our eyes to so many things before we know that, oh, we have these things around us. But if you don't have eye opening in this thing we are doing or what we have around us, then it will be like a great mistake to you. But those things help so much. And not like I'm just telling you to go and try what I have not tried. Yeah, I've used this thing, so I know what I'm doing now. Because I'm going to put everything here. And put it like this. And then that everybody will see what I'm doing. Okay, let me use spoon so that it won't waste. I'll use spoon. But I need to dry it. It's good. You see? Some of you don't like taking bitter things, but you don't know that bitter things are good for your health. They prefer taking sweet things. Yeah. I'm not saying taking sweet things is bad, but sometimes you need to mix up. I don't want to waste anything here, so you see, our combination is ready for consumption. Not that I did not eat it. You know, sometimes, even if when you're cooking, you want to put this inside, you can still put it. You don't know what you want to do, what you want to do, yeah, what you want to create, you know, and it's very good. I don't want it to waste, so this particular one that I have here, I'll mix it and then drink. So that all the benefits will enter into my body. They even give me strength. Voila! I'm gonna pack the one in the mortar. Mortar. God bless Africa. God bless the world. God bless Africa. God bless the world. I think I'm done now. So what I want to do, this chaff too, you see, I'm still going to dry it, because you see this chaff, not that they are not usable, those chaffs, they are still usable. I'll dry them and then cut them in pieces. And decide to just between them. Strong with this. So guys, thank everyone for watching, and I would love to know where you are watching me from. Where exactly are you watching me from? Are you watching me from your house? Where are you watching me from? So that I can greet you and greet the people in the place where you stay. Sometimes that's how you stay healthy, right? By using natural remedies. All those other remedies are good too, but sometimes we all need to try our natural remedy. It's very important. It's very, very important, man. Let us know where you're watching me from, guys. Like, share, and comment. Leave your comment, let's see your comment. Leave your comment, let's see your comment. Leave your comment, let's see your comment. Just let chicken get tea is crystal. Shake what's it say? This is what I've made. This is what I've made. Yeah. This is the result. This is the result. Thank God for this. Thank God for this, man. Thank God for this. That's malaria and typhoid that you are suffering from. This thing, I finish it one time. This is not a trick, man. This is real. What I'm telling you is real, man. It's not fake. Some of you already think that's fake, but I'll tell you something real. What I'm doing is real, man. Yeah, just ready to know that. No, somebody has it. And I'm not using it though. You are God from beginning to the end. There's no place for arguments. I'll keep them until it's dry. So when it's dry, I'll take it inside. Before my wife will come back. Everybody's watching me. Thank you so much. This is where we'll drop the curtain of this great content. I'll take it malaria and typhoid medicine. Oh, I love dry season. Dry season, you just dry your clothes in a few minutes before you know it's ready for use. You know, one thing about me, I love taking natural stuff. Oh my god. Alright guys, bye bye. See you some other time. See you later. Bye bye.